There are many blockchains as we have Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, Polygon, Avalanche and many more. But inside this video, I am going to talk about Cronos Blockchain. Directly, I will show you how you can add Cronos network to your Metamask wallet. If you are new to this channel and you want to get more updates about cryptocurrency, crypto mining, meme coins, crypto updates, so make sure click on the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to get notification while upload a new video. Don't forget to like our video because I need your support. You are the only my community that you can support me. You can help me to grow my YouTube channel and then I will be motivated. Daily you will receive a useful video that can give you profit. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can add Cronos network to your Metamask wallet. As in my YouTube channel, you can find how you can add Binance Smart Chain network to your Metamask wallet, Polygon network to your Metamask wallet. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can add Cronos network to your Metamask wallet. This is the official website, cronos.org. You can check it yourself if you want to get more updates. But I will not waste your time. Directly, I will just going to show you how you can do it. First of all, you need to download Metamask wallet on your Chrome browser. This is the Chrome extension. Make sure to download it and create Metamask wallet. If you don't know how to create Metamask wallet, then watch my video because I have uploaded video on how you can create Metamask wallet, how you can download Metamask Chrome extension. So make sure to watch it. And then once you completely create Metamask wallet, and then now you need to just add Cronos network to your Metamask wallet. Simply log into your Metamask wallet and then click on this icon. In here you can see click on this icon and then click on settings. Now scroll down, click on networks and then click on add networks. As you can check, I have already added Binance Smart Chain and Polygon network. Now I'm going to add Cronos network to my Metamask wallet. Simply click on add network. Now you will see a new page of Metamask wallet. In here, what you need to do, I will give all of these details below in description. So first of all, in here, network name, you need to type Cronos, and then for new RPC URL, you simply copy this and then paste it here, Control C and then Control V. So the chain ID is 25 and the symbol is CRO because CRO, the crypto.com is the token of this blockchain. So and then copy the last one. This is for scan Explorer. Simply paste it here. Once you're done with these options and then click on save option. So finally we just added Cronos network to our Metamask wallet. If you want to add any project that listed on Cronos blockchain, simply add token to there, and then after that, if you want to buy and sell Cronos blockchain project, you need crypto.com token. As we transfer BNB to our Metamask wallet, so for transaction fees, the same thing. You need to transfer crypto.com token to your Cronos network in order to complete transaction, in order to do any transaction. So I hope you understand this video. This video is a short video. I hope you understand this video. If you have any question, ask me below in the comment section. This video is just end up here. Smash the like button to a new all-time high. Still did not subscribe to our channel, so make sure click on the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to get notification while upload any video. Till the next video, goodbye, see you.